Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're not subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe so you can see all my other videos that I do. So today's video is based upon my poll that I put on Instagram asking if I should do a straight hairstyles tutorial on my YouTube channel, and majority of you said yes, so that's what this video is about. So before I start this video, I just want to do a quick shout out to Coco and Eve. I bought this and I'm very happy that I bought it. Before straightening my hair, I use this Coco and Eve Super Nourishing Coconut and Fig Hair Mask, and it smells so gorgeous. It's just like a white paste, and if you can see it. I'm actually I'm so stupid. Which is basically a deep conditioning treatment to help improve the health of your hair. So literally all you need to do is, because it's a mask, you leave it in your hair 45 minutes or up to an hour, but I left this overnight and then the next morning I washed it out and straightened my hair. So let's just literally begin. First hairstyle is going to be little bits out with a bun at the back. Get my comb and just literally start combing the rest of the hair back. Because my hair is quite thick and long, I put it in a ponytail before I put it in a bun. Then I'm literally just going to put it in a bun. So the first hairstyle is done. It's not the most popular one or the one that I actually really like, but it is a hairstyle. Hairstyle number 2 is a side parting. So literally all I'm going to do is part my hair 3/4 of the way and push the side down. Okay, so now after this bit, you know I like to do my baby hairs. I've always used Eco Styling Gel, Professional Styling Gel, my favourite gels. I've used other gels, but I really like this gel. I think it's very much better. Very much better. I feel like I like it better, so I use it. I don't like using too much gel. I don't want it to be like glued down. I want it to just look quite natural. That's hairstyle number 2 done. So the next hairstyle is a transition from hairstyle number 1. These get annoying and you don't want them in your face or in the way. You can always push them back, twist them back and pin them back. So I'm going to brush out my hair and simply take the 2 sides at the very front and start twisting them towards the back. Now I'm going to take a bobby pin and just clip it. Should look like you have twisted your hair back. It should look a bit bumpy, a bit pushed up, which it does, and there you have it. Okay, give you a closer look whilst I do my baby hairs. And because my hair is straight, when I do put gel on it, it does tend to curl a bit and it doesn't want to stay down. So these baby hairs are curly baby hairs right now. Next hairstyle is going to be a hairstyle that I do mainly all the time, especially when I'm brushing. It's very easy, and also it's a very nice hairstyle for the summer as it gets really hot. You don't really want your hair out all the time. So I'm going to stick with the middle parting through my hair, brush all the sides of my hair to make it very neat. Hairstyle not done yet. I'm going to do my baby hairs. I don't know if you've noticed the pattern, but baby hairs are quite in every single hairstyle. They basically complete the hairstyle. With this I don't like to bring out too much because I like how it goes back and it's all put back. Okay, and this is the finish. Very simple, smooth, suave. Messy buns are nice, so I'm guessing it looks nice, okay? Hairstyle number 6 is... So I'm just going to gather all my hair towards the back. And I'm basically just going to put my hair into a ponytail. I'm going to put my hair through only 3/4 of the way. Okay. Woo! Push everything back so it's like a little bun. So now I've just clipped this bit back with all the leftover bits. I'm going to part it in 2 and basically cross it across my head. Now I just want to gel the edges because obviously they're quite fluffy, so let's do that again. All these hairstyles that I am showing you are ones that I love to do with my straight hair and ones that I do very often. So if they do seem quite simple, I'm just showing you what I do with my straight hair. So I'm just brushing my hair with a wide tooth comb. I use this because it's I think it keeps my hair straight, and if I use a brush it'll make it bushy. I want it to maintain the straight. To try and keep that middle parting, you can use a hard brush. I'm going to use a slick brush and basically swoop it to the right and swoop it to the left to create that middle part. I'm simply just going to put it in a high ponytail. I hate it when that happens. You always get those extra hairs trying to come in. No! And I like to add a little bit of volume to this ponytail, so I like to just move it about, push it up a bit, give it a little bit of volume. Now I've lost the middle parting, but I can always get it back with my toothbrush. There's volume here as you push this up, and it gives it that kind of bump, which I really like. I think that's all my hairstyles right now. So if you enjoyed this, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. That would be lovely. Thank you for all the people that have subscribed to me already. I'm planning to do a lot more videos and I want to create really good content. Hopefully this has given you ideas, anyone with straight hair that wants to do any hairstyles, and I think that's about it.